Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to your number one soccer podcast. Pass and Move is the name of the show, and it's proudly brought to you by Ibenaya Foods, our number one sponsor. Look, siqhubekela phambili, and as Manga, we promised you very interesting guest. Ungaba ngama-supporter, ungaba ngu-administrator, ungaba yi-agent, as long as you are involved in the beautiful game, siyakubisa la ku-number one podcast in the land. Namhlanje before siqala isethi vele ingqondo yami sigijima is now all over. Sesithatha ama-topics amaningi le-guest yami enilayo namhlanje, and is a very interesting soccer legend. Anzange ngimbukele but indumela zakhe very dangerous. Ungathi uyagugla kuyabe kuphuma kuthiwa 1986. Mina ngazi ukuthi 1986 ngoba vele uhlobo ukuthi ngo-1986 wayezinto amahlona anyama wayezinto ezinzima ezingazange zibonakale in the world of football. And today my guest is none other than Tobias Mdlambanje. I think vele is the world ibizo leliyaziwa kakhulu. Mtana, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Asiqalise ebizweni mdala bembuza i-nickname because masizwa sithi Tobias Mdlambanje abafana bebhola bavele bethi Mdlambanje bese bezicabangela imbanje.
Khona kunjalo. Okwenza yangani nickname ingani yahlupha ukuphuma nje. Abantu thought ukuthi uMdlambanje vele ngwini i-nickname.
Bahle bathi kwewidi.
Bathi kulasibongo esinjalo. Awulasibongo esinjalo. Uzuhlupha nabantu ufuna ukhupha isithupha uthi hayi aso nickname. Isibongo sesithupeni engisisebenzisayo.
Yes.
Sithi Mdlambanje. And then abanye babeniki basithi flash dance.
Flash dance.
Yeah.
Nqothwa flash dance ngizama ukurecorda mbona ukuthi kusho ukuthi wawudansa mnandi ule bhora.
Even lokuhlohla kwakhona it's like yazi flashlight phela ingadlula so yabona sinjani.
Just like that.
Ubona njenge lightning.
Anganombane.
Yeah, njenge lightning njengombane sibona sokwenzakile.
Angifuni ukungena kakhulu mdala ku career because but nxa ngicheka 1986 wayenzakalani 1986 ebabazwa kangaka ngoba Tobias Mdlambanje kuhle kuthiwa 1986 my god.
1986 uminyaka lapho iBhoso yaba ama Cup Kings.
All right.
Saphosa sathatha inkezo zonke ezazidlalelwa ku-Premier League ngo-1986. U-1986 la kimi uqakathekile ngoba umnyaka engangena khona first eHighlanders.
All right.
Isizini yami yokuqala ngathi ngaqala isizini vele
uchisa
ngitshisa okubi.
Sizafika khona lapha. Siqalisa sike saxoxa ngebhora nje elakhathesi la kudala. Mfuna siqase khona apho singakabuyi kwezinye indawo. Xa ukhangele lina I think khathesi yini abantu elinga differentiate selibone ama levels wonke lama gap wonke awebhora. Xa ukhangela ibhora lakhathesi eZimbabwe comparing to isikhathi lina lisese yini iyouth lisese yini abatsha lani liyakadlali lisabukile i-difference wonke between those times sisafika manje ibhora lakhathesi liyakuda lihlukana ngaphi kakhulu.
Ukukhuba iqiniso phambili komphakathi. Ibhora lakhathesi lakudala kulomehluko omkhulu kakhulu ngoba elakhathesi selixotsha ama-supporters eground. Elakudala lalinxusa uzwe abantu besiba lo mdlawo uzothi ngifuna ukuya ebhoreni ngoba abakudala babedlala ibhora ngothando. Babedlala ibhora ngokuthi baphiwe balesipho esokudlala ibhora. Abedlala ibhora kudala babengelandaba lokuthi badlalela imali. Babedlala nje ipride ukuthi hayi ibhora ngiyadlala. Imali yangasonto ekhangelwa kakhulu. Kule lakhathesi ibhora esokuyimali.
True and true.
Singayali ukuthi okade ibhora sokungumsebenzi. Asiyali umsebenzi. But into esisibulala emsebenzini wakhathesi ngibona le corruption singenile futhi ngayo singenile eBhoren ngoba kungumsebenzi siqhashwa ngama CV awebhola lapha abali yaphambili but ama CV kazanjani akasasebenzi ngenxa ye corruption ukuthi wazana lobani umntaka bani so uche kwabulala yini ibhola lonke
already ukuthi wena kungakuthi nxa ule boys yakho wena othi even ingalazi kuwayelelo just the fact ukuthi ngumntaka Tobias Mdlambane
and ule mali
uyamfica seseteamini
uthole sekona team
kudala sonke ezazikhona lezi
uthola ungekho ungakhangela uzubona into engiyikhulumayo uhamba ubukela ibhola iplayer ayikwazi ukucontroller iplayer ayikwazi ukushuta iplayer ayikwazi ukuyeda usuzuza ukuthi umuntu engadlala at this highest level engelanto zonke ezilule ezifunakalayo ama basics and ungakhangela udala azaziqala ibhola ku Premier saqala ibhola e-street umakhabelana ibhola lamaphepha so khona lapho udlala kuma juniors then so kuma juniors ugraduate usiya ku senior team but singakhala kathesi even yona Islanders ethola ama juniors singabuzana sibili ukuthi yipi ngabe memeza khona phana bethi le junior le isi promote ku first angaba mangaki
khathesa ngaba le ingxoxo khona lapha mjalo ukuthi khathesi abafana bebhora abadlalayo iPremier yonke ukuthi umuntu uzube mazi sibile kahle ukuthi lo nguwe into enzima kakhulu kodwa bekulula kithi ukuthi sibekwazi ukuthi le player even any team angikhulumela ukuthi imbe yayilenda ume any team you could tell ukuthi lo nguBlessing Makuni kwe Cape United okhuluma yoko uyabukwazi lo ngungozi lo khathesi abafana bathi sikuyongithathela sibili isikhathi ukuthi ngibe kwazi uyembe eBhoring uhambile wabukela zibini kodwa uzube mazi akusela
that play vele uliqiniso lelo ngoba ukhoma ngepoint yona le kanje isizini siphela nje sokusele about 6 or so games eZimbabwe but singabuzana singu2 thina siyi2 sibili ukuthi ngubani soccer star singayikhatshana siyi2 sibuzana siyi2 ukuthi ngubani soccer star unganike sibizo
akunzima it's very difficult it's very difficult
which means kulapho siyakhona awula umuntu wenze headline thina saziphuma headline Mdlamba nje that man again Mdlamba nje scores the last winner you know Mdlamba nje does a flash wawusiba headline nxa udlala ibhoro ungabe uzibona ungaphuma ku-headline you must question yourself at the same time
and ngesikhathi sakhathesi kulama social media kulana lina
kwakungekho thina kwakungekho
kodwa uyazakala ilizwe lonke
ngenxa ye-performance udlala okwenza thina phela about sasingameleli i-training team and for your own information do you know ukuthi thina sastraina 2 hours for 3 days Tuesday Wednesday Thursday which means i-training eqathele sasenza nge-Tuesday sasenza kona i-physical Wednesday sisenza ama-tactical lokunye Thursday sesibonga ukuzama ukubuilda i-team zesibabedlala khona bo 11 versus 11 sesithi combination weekend sesebhoren unlike abakathesi they are full-time footballers 9 to 12 2 to 4 usebhoren of which you're expecting them to play better football than us who have only 1 hour you can say 1 hour of training because babevele emsebenzini thina babevele emsebenzini phela working class uvele emsebenzini 6 o'clock uyafika eground yantshintsha 6:30 usengena eground 8 o'clock quarter at 8 training siphela it's less than 2 hours but ikhangela i-performance yakho just because we used to like i-road run ngihamba force road yasazama ukuthi i-street asezikhuluma washo ukuthi uRambo wayitshona la uyilethe wayitshona Mhlamba nje wayitshona la road run ungenamuntu okumonitor
yikho mjalo lokufit so awuthi mjalo fresh nje i-road
individual training helps a lot. You know weakness as a player. Funi shooting. I'm a striker. Funi shooting. Do shooting. I'm a striker. Funi heading. Heading. I vogue heading. Do heading a training. Look at your weakness. And try and improve it on your own. Nsadla umakhabelana phela. Lami ngugorwana ngugoro. So lapha umakhabelana we're improving your shooting skills.
Makhabelana.
We're improving your shooting skills. 5 meters apart.
And kalisa abafana ba these days makhabelana bamazi.
Abazamazi njani njengoba etshona bekuma
TikTok
game ngama TikTok. Into ezingabancediyo kusasa. Because I feel sorry for the youngsters because football is now money. Ungatrainer ube serious, udlale. You be recognized by outsiders.
Yes.
Then you go and make more money outside.
And the bona bakhathi bale advantage.
Uchana the Zimbabwe have a stepping stone. Have a ladder to take it because people are watching our game. And if we excel in every game, we talk of the people, we are most likely we are calling South Africa. But look at South Africa, that's why 6-7. We cannot even beat them. And it's our players who improved the game of South Africa. It's our players who improved the game of Botswana. Because some of our players are manning export South Africa, Botswana. Katesa basasifuni.
So abaqaba sokuyini?
Yes, abasasifuni, but we taught them football. But tina now uthi sikope tina South Africa wala all equipment ikona.
Yeah, ama resources
but of which that ama resources we can have.
Yes.
This days transportation is even lama sports shops la, you order those things, you get them.
Ngiyabuya.
But the professionalism in being cool. Because I want to one coach, one assistant. But also coach our strikers. Coach our midfielders, coach our defenders. So it's all the coaches have session some pieces then. Have you ever seen our bench about Chelsea? As nice as Kachana ko. South Africa lapho tuzoma kirwani kona. Sebengele kokunalo. Each department lo coach out.
Yes.
And their football
to the bench la khona liqwela.
Yeah, thina yathola kulo mdlamba nje lo assistant lo medic. I-coaching lokuze ungafuna lo manager bese siba khona lo manager so sesikwanile but are we improving anything?
We are not. And sikhuluma so amanda 17 ethu akhichiwe ku COSAFA tournament leya besikhuluma recently kwenye episode khona ukuthi ungakhangela ucoach weMozambique ube khuluma i-project ethile 2 years sivele Portugal sibuya for this tournament but ethu team singama host ihlanganiswe 2 weeks ago.
Vele thina balethi project isalazi because ngumuzomela sibuza le. Do you know what is a project? Because a project at the end of the day must bear results, isn't it?
Yes.
In whatever project ongena kiyo kumele kube le mpumela ekhanya ukuthi for sure into lesivela la ekhachana. But like I say ukuthi 2 weeks you fulfill lo. You are just fulfilling ukuthi singa disappoint ukuthi you as host we were nowhere to be found. So let's just picking anyone is social ukuthi sihlangana ground. Social phela we don't need to train. Sihlangana ground so njani so dlala iball.
Socialize.
That's typical of Zimbabwean style. Aso kwama under 17 kuphela. Even the national team onyuvela ngibo so vela sesihlangana ground manje asidlaleni iball. What do you expect? Do you expect a win? Loba ungazibele inyanga ezingu20 phela i-preparation enjalo vela ayisebenza. Because inyanga lazinciswa i-training phela. Nxa ukuthi umuntu okwenyanga uyasebenza but ukuqathele ngwini training. Saloko sikhala one not yeah but even one not isidliwe. Sidlala eBrabant akula press lidlalileyo. We are just fulfilling wasting ama resources. Imali uthi abasithatha si-channel to better things. Aba kungcono.
Kunzima eBorela kithi. Alright mntana asiqalise ukuqaliseni. umuntu engabe ebukile ethi Tobias Mdlambanje hayi umuntu engakwazi mbani uTobias Mdlambanje
uTobias Mdlambanje umfana phela thina bebhola sikhulu
hayi
ukusiza ngamabizo
yes
ungaze ufike la kimi ngale khasi lokhu okumntwana okuncane uyasukwazi alwana nguTobias kuphela lona ozalwe empilo ngafunda eLoskay Primary ngaya eMzilikazi Secondary ngadlala ibhola because by then mina ibhola ngaqala udlala ngise primary
eLoskay khona
then from Loskay ngaya eMzilikazi at form 3 ngase ngidlala udivision 1
form 3
yeah form 3 ngase ngidlala division i team othiwa iMonarch industry kwakule team othiwa iMonarch form 3 ngase ngidlala division 1 then I remember form 4 nguMonarch khona ba sadlala lelokuze le Black Aces ku netball cup ne Castle Cup
iBlack ishayisa mfana
iBlack Aces ubamba uBrenham Siska
yes
eluveve sayidla 4-1
ukuMonarch
ngikuMonarch form 4
iMonarch izidli iBlack Aces eku-Premier League
4-1 sahamba next round next round saphiwa iBlack Rhinos yabo Ndunduma kona la
amdala abantu laba amabizo abanye abazi abaningi
yayichisa bathi phela iBlack Rhinos esikhomba ngayo yayithethe ama-cream from Cape United yathatha la ku-Dynamos ama-special Dynamos bayafoma iBlack Rhinos yayi-army team
yes
team yamasotsha yayichisa team yena le ngakutshela istory esichazayo thina phela sathi siyadlala ngikhona ngale
lokhu yona le cup yena le
sahamba ngeroli iUD sahamba le roli iUD
emuva
sisemuva siyadlala eRedcliffe eThouta siseThouta sathi 10 k's before Redcliffe 10 sabona iroli yapa khushi imgani khushi imbisa sesipheka ilunch phandle sesipheka ilunch khona phandle
itime Monarch
sesipheka ilunch khona phandle usitshebe ukuthi lekhabishi sadla siqeda ukudla sathi amadoda sesitshintshela khona egangeni
kwisikhathi esingakanani esisele uthi igame edlala
vele normally imile ebhora nje between 11 and 12
yes
between 11 and 12 isikhathi esokudla
i-digest yekuhle
kodwa lokana kwenzakala isitshwala phela thina even ngo2 siyadla sidlala ngo3 African believe uyadla ngo2 siyadlala ngo3 athi singabantu lokho ukuthi ngidla hayi ngisanda uqeda ukudla nje sidlaleni ibhora African people but umthetho webhora utshela ukuthi light meal angadli lokho ukuthi uzuthi nguboneleni light meal but athi awazi kule boys phela so light ngebizo but sabe sisidla
awuthala mbula
sisidla ta light meal but umuntu abezidla
awebhola vela usebenza uthi
light asebenze especially kuma African la sebenza khona phana sadla ngabo half 1 ngabo 1 to sagqoka sihamba sigqoka uniform siseroli
changumoya
setoto
ingoma kufika
hawu sayibamba team
iRhinos yena le
sayibamba but unfortunately nxa lingasolanga nini basidla 2-1 but enye zabayidoubt sathi uNdunduma wahlodla ngesandla but reference yabona ngabantu labo so basidla 2-1
Stanley Ndunduma
Stanley Ndunduma
ayibizo leli yalizwe ngowahlahla wahla izale kaMaradona
wahlodla ngesandla but reference goal sathi
but bayifili Monarch uthi akhadi bafana ayikho la ku Premier
singekho la ku Premier that was my turning point because 85 ngasuka ku Monarch ngasensa joina othiwa Zimbabwe Colts.
Zimbabwe
Colts.
Oh, Colts.
Yayisponsor nguSheo Kunzi ku Division 1. Hala yayichisile. Ayichisile.
Kulapho lokumfana soku form 4.
Ngase ngiqedile uform 4. Ngoform 4 wangu84.
Alright.
Lapho songu85 ngaya ku Colts. Sadlala. Sapho sapromote
Zimbabwe Colts.
Zimbabwe Colts sasesidliwa sifuna iwini ku Wanki eWhite City anti impela ibhola yakwazile politics zakhe. Lo munye referee wakhona vele azazathi lapha vele siyadliwa lapha. Amanye ama referee uthi nxa idlala ibhola sofuna ukuthi lapha siyadlala but
urefu nguye decide game. And into le lokhu yenzakala la kadizi.
Akhona we never stop that.
Ngibonile
akustopeki lo.
Ngibonile ngeweekend bengikhala kakhulu referee ichicken in the kwekwe.
It's football.
It's part of the game.
Life injalo because abantu bathi life is not fair. Life is fair. Because you win some,
lose some.
That's the fairness of life. Then sasesehle ku promoter 85. 86 ngabona uCosmas Zulu ethi mfana
uthano.
Uthano mfana. Sakufuna. Ati no problem madala. Ngabe 86 ngaqasa uthena lana.
So wena uma juniors awuzange udlale for
azame le long spell kuma juniors. Azame long spell.
Because ngawusithi form 3 udlala
ngathi ngalokuza vele azame long spell kuma juniors. Vele azange ngidlale kakhulu kuma juniors. Ngathi
i-talent lalivele likhona.
Natural. It was a natural talent. Khona sasikwazi ukudlala emapaper phela plus nanti ngakhula opposite club. Youth Center Mthwakazi Youth Center. So laphana wakunyiwa baba. Sasidlala ibhola ngama holidays. Sasidlala ibhola kuseni ize litshona ilanga. Indlala ungayizwa. Ungayizwa idlala. Kumbe nxa uzibona sobuya umdala.
Sizokudinga.
And ngabona umdala befike sandle emuva.
But ngikhaya babe accept ukuthi awumfana vele ngebhola.
Baba ngela choice. Ngoba vele sasizi boys vele ukuthi ibhola saselidlala. Ngoba umdala befike sandle emuva so ungadlula eceleni kwakhe. Othi ubhodu chaya ngangani because uyabethela uswazi. Uyabethela uswazi ukuthi bakubizwa wena ufuna ukubuya wena.
Wapha udlanga usuke kuseni.
Udlanga usuke kuseni. Sifakele report iphela. Lapha uzogeza futhi. Nxa ugeza vele babe mile somiya ngoba ukuthi uyageza.
Proper.
Uthi uyageza yini. Ilife yakudala. Then from there yathena kuBhoso.
Uthano wathi kuthatha wathi wena uyayilinda.
Siyakufuna wena uyapha.
That's the 86.
That's the 86 we are talking of. Then ungena kuBhoso waba independent trophy. Then
ufika uthano yakuthatha ufika
uyatrain from January zibili. From January. But my first game was in April.
Utrain January to April. Nxa ufika kuwayilenda kulabo bani?
Kulabo Dumisani Ngulube. Kulabo Namo Shambira. Kulabo Matinda Ndlovu. Kulabo Dumisani Onetsai, Alexander
Netsai Moyo.
Netsai Moyo, the late Titus, the late Fanel Ncube. Yayichisile team yakho.
Yiyo le ehlatshelwa nguMajayiva.
Yayichisile team
uRambo. Mercedes.
Nxa utshela ukuthi patient pays. Afana bakathesi phela ukuthi uyafuna udlala kathesi. Ufuna trainer 2 days usefuna udlala eteamini. Thina think from January. First game yaba ngoApril.
Utrainer kuphela.
Uzubona indawo engeke ngawutshela ngayo. Udala kwangena amakhoni. Kwangena amakhoni. So nxa kwawusenza ibhokisi wayephonga ukuthi random. Wona mana lapha. Selingamakhoni. Nxa bethena phakathi bathena phakathi namakhoni. Nxa babhoda nayo namakhona. I-training yaphela unganjani?
Ungalithintanga
uyikhona.
But ungabaleki.
Isikhathi sakho siza njani? Sizafika. Think how many months? January to April, 4 months.
4 months.
Into train. Wona nje bese camp bepipa lapana besiyangana. Wena ungalokho. But you always tell yourself when the opportunity comes, I must try.
So January, February, March kwesisikhathi ube likhona.
Yeah.
Kwesikhathi njengalalo uthintshela ukuthi kwesisikhathi nxa befuna ukuyeqa befike zama eglis.
Iwe iyigli. Waswa iyigli. Beliyeqa ama egli. Ubona ibhola kudala
beqa wena
songa nalo umuntu wabuya lama into ezifundile lezi ukuthi sokweqa ama eglis akusayiqa abantu manje umuntu okuzonda yaphela naye siqapha nanje lokukhaba yathi sorry but usenjani
sekukhabile imbambo lezi
so that was the fun part of it.
Yes, so laba kwenza konke lo lawo participate awula pressure hayi
not even
so awukho starstruck mjala because nxa ufika abantu abaqamba kwayilinda umadinda nje umadinda Ndlovu sikhule vele haya sifuna
umuntu vele onjani okulimelight
awuyethu nxa ufika etraining ufica amabizo kanjalo
azange ngethuke kangako because wakulo majola
Titus
so Titus vele sisuka sonke ngapha engubo yenja same area so ngathi abantu lapha singilani vele
le
protection le Buddhas so wathi kwaba lula
kwaba mnandi
plus labo Willard sekesa Willard wayesemzilikazi mina seLows K so sasihlangana ngapha
esikolo
kuma games esikolo uDumisani Ngulube bese sobukazi mina semzilikazi hayi sihlangana futhi esikolo so awuzange kube nzima kakhulu
bahle baba abadala osiyamazi
ukuza manje okwathi kwaba mnandi ukuthi sidlala le Saints semifinal kwama semifinal eindependent
game yakho yokuqala
igame yokuqala dlala le Saints under floodlights
mtala wakhuluma ezizi
under floodlights
eZimbabwe ama 2000 phela wazi ukuthi eZimbabwe ibhoreke edlala under floodlights
into ikongitshela ukuthi thina iprofessional njani asila singuphikani abantu abasawukile thina silento zethu ezinjani ezinto eziright maybe imali channel to the wrong people plus bafuna ukudurisa entweni ezomphakathi ukuthi umphakathi uyakholisa and ibhola usuku limnandi because akuchisi people have got energy, people can run ipace yakho na vile yabi fast pace
level imnani
ngangena futhi ngiyisapho I remember
versus Zimbabwe says your debut
sadlala 2-2
isensi labo bani
isensi ayichisile madoda yabo Ephraim Chawanda odelete uMachinkula odelete John Sibanda oMajambe oJimmy Phiri odelete Misheki yayingayenza team leya yayiqinile isensi by then and yayi deep azama game sense lendazi ayikhulunywa from Monday kuzoke phela mzona weSunday mzona wegame hayi serious step akabe nhlohli winner
wangena uyi2-2
ngahlohli winner iprize liyaphela.
Take me through that moment mdala nxa ibuya uyireliever i2-2 ba ungenela ubani
ngangenela
Namo Shambiri yes
ngene Namo Shambiri and the stadium sasigcwele by
pegged Papa Fields
pegged civil and I still remember yaba icross ngalihlohla ku Dimbari end le Empilo end zathi sebenchini ngale stadium yawazi vele nxa usigala osokwethu laphana
kuyi black and white
and by then you know kwakusale lokuzeni iPower Fields yangakabile lokuzeni yabi ama stadium la ayona yayisase lokule lokuzeni ngale eSoweto le lokuzeni le Mpankweni nabo sale loni la ngapha ungakabi ngama grandstand
alright lokhu ungakayakhwa
ngaba ngama grandstand
abantu behlala elonini
sadlala elonini.
ngiyafuna ukubona ipicture abuyidinga but iSoweto ayisikhona.
iSoweto yayiSoweto njalo vele. iSoweto yahlala iSoweto. Ile loni yayiSoweto vele. Vele yathi yaba yi-South Islanders vele from kudala.
Yes.
Nguntshintshe vele yathi yaba uhlala uncuba ukuthi awungahlala yonke indawo. Soweto wangaphonga uhlala phela. Awuthi ngubani?
Ilomnikazi.
Bayazana. Kodwa lapha uhlala uncube la. Ungadlala.
Njalo ngibuza ukuthi la iSoweto ayiloni engabe la masteni.
Yayiloni. Yayiloni. Ingakabi yenelele.
Kodwa kunje.
Ugcwele pam. Kucakaza kwagcwala la phakathi. Abantu badlala phakathi eloni kona ba. Eground ecene kwelo.
Yes.
Abantu behlala phakathi sokugcwele phakathi.
Manje icontrol babe control yakho. Njengoba usithu ukuthi
the disciplined.
Njengoba usithu ukuthi igame yakhunywa mande kuze ke iyephela igame isiphelile. Abantu
babe kudala abantu babengena istadium singagcwala. Abantu babengena behlala khona phela ku touch line. Behlala ku touch line. Because they were disciplined unlike
khathesi.
Players.
So violence
abanye ngathi bayahamba eBhureni just to cause havoc. You know, sometimes I'm sorry to say this, maybe my supporters ngangizondela or what, but sometimes the truth must be said. Because kwezinye ingoma ezingamelanga zihlatshele eBhureni. Vulgar songs, they're not entitled to be sang public. Lapho uzaba le coverage nje ama video what ezinye ingoma aziyenzi emphakathini.
Zipromote ongayisikho.
You see? And bakangaza team enhlamba. That certain individual ababona zane ku right. But nange era yethu kwawuhlatshwa ingoma ze-Highlanders eziphakamisa
ibhora ispirit yethi
ukuthi ungazihambe lo mntwana awuyesana but kade uhambe lo mntwana odlala eSoweto disaster yodwa phela.
So mdala untshela ukuthi igame etense enjalo abantu behlezi begcwele no violence abantu coming
phakathi ku touch line
beku-touch line coming just for pure soccer
kuzona ibhola
bekwazi ukuthi lapha siyabukholisa sobukela ibhola
babekholisa
so ifakile iheda laphana 3-2 uchaye celebration bani kumbe kudala wawuliyeza lezi
gijima usebhenchini usagana lama coach because babe le trust lawe usayabanika that thank you
final
ngiyabonga ukuthi nami ngithembile la nika that opportunity.
Yes. Kwenzani mdala empilweni yakho usuchaye? That is why benisithi mana ngicheka ngomdala lokho uphuma 86 kwenzani empilweni yakho uhlothi igo eqhatheke njengale and kuyi derby kuyigame yakho yokuqala utshintsho bani olubuya empilweni yakho?
Ndoda ngakunika that mark 1 isupport yabo usula yacho 2 sewufuna icontrol now kungawe into ezangena ekhanda ube big headed. It's the first game, there are more games to come. And it's football. Sometimes do you know what in a family you might do good but we lo munye futhi family member engakuthandi the good you are doing. That's normal.
Life.
So la sovuze lawo usigeje ukuthi ngithabe onganani kumele ufike ku certain stage ukuthi kumele ngithabe ngifike la ungathabi futhi uzakhoba futhi omunye ungani udlala wedwa phela because football is teamwork. Teamwork. So nxa uthaba kumele sithabe sindawonye.
Mbani obuya ezokutshela lawo mazwi because I believe wena then osese ngumfana omncane mbani obuya ethi usuhlothi ibhora elikhulu Tobias ungaphaphi chuma.
Do you know ukuthi udala wawulama supporter kodwa ngama supporters sibili and thina by then when we were training we were watched by ama supporters yabo yasibile training ebe yijura wall sibili umduli sibili abantu kugcwala eground bezosupporta bezobona i-training e-team yakho. Then ufana ukuthi kulabanye ababekutshela ukuthi mfana uyadlala. You know, you have to listen into yokutshela. You never know ukuthi umuntu ukutshelayo.
Somele ukhethe okuright.
Ule future but ungabe lekhanda elikhulu. Ama-supporters ayakutshela khona lokho. Because basebebonile ungabe lekhanda elikhulu. Yes, ama-coaches akhuluma ukukhuluma. But umuntu oqhakathekile empilweni yakho umuntu okubukelayo. Because yibo futhi abakwazi ukuphakamisa phinde benjani
bekuyisela phansi.
Yabona. So I would like to thank ama-supporters because bangiguide ngendlela e-right.
So sesibuyela khona cannot ukusho ukuthi olama-support amaqini.
Yes, true supporters labana ukuthi bayabekutshela lempilo. Akufani nama-supporters ukuthi ufana ukuthi umfana uyanatha. You buy me more beer.
Yes.
We are not building.
Subulala.
We are killing. Umthengele one, uyanatha umthengele one. Banihamba lala. Ule future. Angifuni uphelele kwayilendazi. Kumele sibakhuthaze.
Kakhulu.
Angifuni uphelele kwayilendazi, ibhasi le mali. Awubi yebo ngazothola usudlala kubona uCastle Mbuzi. Kumbe egoli khona beduze. Sehamba ama 20,000 rands. Wena ungaphumelela ifamily yakho yaphumelela
kakhulu.
Lama sozongikhohlela ilanga phela uzanike lama
something yes
dala nathi khokho. But lama supporters sometimes angakwanisa ukuthi ekhuthaza ama player to do the right. Ngamuntu esenza into wrong nxa iplayer kumfana umkhuze ukuthi hayi lokho kwenzayo lokho hayi
ayisikho
lo. Ungabona iplay ehambe ithwele empty beer something is wrong. Because nxa iplayer umuntu la kweseng hayi umdlamba nje ngicela ibeer nyanatha nyabisela imbodlela yena and nothing picture and must by honesty law must be trustworthy and retain that lokuzenza because you are a well known somebody.
Yes,
protect your image, protect the team's image. Manje abafana beboss abafana besense abafana bedynamo zingabaniki lutho, you know
it's wrong
really. That's not life. You must be trustworthy.
Mina khanda lami lokho kudume igobhora yakho usushaya celebration lokho mbona le Soweto ingela ama stains ngizabuka lokho ngiyipicture khona lokho so ususiya ngikhaya umdala ngikhaya ba accept njalo kanti sesile superstar endlini.
I know everyone was joyous wathaba sibili
ngoba ama newspaper kusokunguwa
vele yachayba headline
igame enkulu
yaba igame yakho nayo enkulu. Then basokuthiwa anisadlala ngeWednesday basokuthiwa Saturday camp ngazibona lami ngikhona eteamini
kudala nje ophiwa ngayo 18
waphiwa 16
yayi
waphiwa
16
wawe 16 ngazibona ngikhona ku 16 Saturday camp. Mina thithi lapha vele siyavukela kuseni sisiya Harare phela ukadlala i-final ngoba sadlala i-final iCaps yayifike yayidla iDynamos yaya ku-final.
Alright.
Ngithi nyathi ekuseni ngizo se-airport se-airport siyaflya ungakwazi phela
but khaya ama-levels akudala kanti i-team ayisaflya
siyaflya nanko airport uyawusilandela phela uyabonga ulandela
usizwa njani phela kanti usuyi-superstar
usihamba khona bala ku-tarmac lapha ne-airport lapha la anti yakusalandela phela usuphethe i-boarding ticket lakho yimi sibilo senkathi lokhu Framachina yimi lo uyazibuza phela yimi lo akuloza bethi hey ndoda waphambanisile come back yimi sibilo enkathi Framachina hostess umniki lokhu sithi number sorry so usidlale sibile sithi yakho na fast no seat belt about to part ulifaki part wena sibe nazo isihamba
overwhelmed
but yonke into vele
inja
you are so excited.
Yes,
for the first time in a flight. I'll be traveling to Harare, probably hostels are there to whatever. nangu sobona baze uzinqola kwabo tea or coffee tea or coffee
siyalazi phela bebhora lithatha konke
tea or coffee both Bijana asena sit back about to land how 35 minutes sesifikile afuna uqamba manga kudala awulama supporter if we talk of supporters sibe i-team yethu ama supporters eLenders sathi sifika e-airport kwaso lesimoto no bus ama support chapter ama supporters
eHarare chapter
sebe simile sikade ngathuthu ezimoteni 16 sithi moto zidlula 8 pe sesihamba hoteleni yamandebele yazi hotel yamandebele
ayiyazi
Oasis iko wathi hotel yamandebele just because most vele babeshana khona bana parties N1 silokuzeni it's just a joke yabe khunywa njengabantu khona sifike khona phana
ikela likembe khona
sibezibhukhela ama room just to rest beshare nga 3 just to rest and bath and you have your lunch khona phana
selikhaya le final
esikhaya le final sesilokuza sesidlile 11 o'clock phela nje ilunch ebhora phela ibhili final
igame yengesande ngalendlela Wednesday
sadla after eating to abantu relaxa 12 o'clock sihlala nerumini ka coach team top
Thano
Robert
uthethe nguThano ohamisa ku Island icoach nguBerry Dark
uThano goalkeeper coach uThano goalkeeper coach
uBerry Dark
uBerry khuluma sibili that I'm fully mapare Mekuhlakaniphi boreni yathi hayi kunjani ukhuma kwebhero kona nanti ibhero wayikhuma njengomuntu wakhula phela egazi vele afundo zesitsotsi
walikhuthaza yavula ibhara
big team hayi afake ebhenchini futhi zihamba basase siyangala
igame yengapi Rufaro National Rufaro iCaps ilabo bani khonapho
yayisachisile iCaps
yes
ilabo the late Friday Pier antona inkalakati oJoel Shambo sticks yayingayenzi oShakiman Tower
yiyo phela amabizo othi
Ellison
yiyo amabizo phela othi nxa ubala lapha kuphuma wenu yiba baphuma
yayijizile by then iCaps sikhambe lapha sidlule bridge nalapha nxa seselokuzeni elempare la siyafika
eRufaro
lapha and kugcwele njani anti wazi independent vele ngane yangamahara futhi lokuzeni ugcwele kuthe sangena shayoma poma la suka la hlala sadlala
uphandle ukhangeni uyastart
shayina umapho madoda shayoma buya ngongena mase bakhupha nami futhi ngaphambanisa sadlala
ungena nini so second
half sadlala kwaba 1-1 sadlala 86 minutes we cross from Madini
esekhathazile
esekhathazile ngekhanda 2-1
wayichaya
ngeke ichaya but ngekhanda hlamba nje scores the winner
flash dance
winner 2-1 sadlala laphela li2-1 ibhola
lathatha inkezo
angaphakanyiswa ngicabanga ngabale bazani lozina kona uyipicture kona ngilapho bemphakamisile
uzanisendela
bemphakamisile so sidela malokuzeni
imedal
sesitela ama medal bahlanya abantu and ngakutshela by then sasingahambi singenama support mase uhambe bethuma basi
besuka nga
nasasihamba nama support
njalo derby ukhipha sense ecupping second game uchaye winner lidli Caps hayi impilo lapha isijinjini
total
estradeni usukwanisa ukuhamba yena estradeni engubo enjapana ngoba newspaper ngoba anibe sikhuluma kwangela social media
yeah
wonke umuntu uyayithwela i-newspaper mbona yabe kunguye
yimi ngicela iphepha lo
ugcwele iphepha lonke uthini ingubo enja lithini igazi uthini ubulawayo
waje bamphakamisa afuna ukuhamba manga abaje bamphakamisa ukuthi ibhola lifuna idiscipline kakhulu abantu abathiwa ngomama laba
befuna ukufika khona lapho ukuthi phela kade usuyi-super tobias mdlamba nje awukusela umuntu ongakwaziyo
nawo lo nto othiwa ngomama ungabalandelela
unqoba njani wena indlela nale wenza into abafana abancane ababebukeli because into yakhona kungatshintsha abantu but isitayela lokho esifanana
because like we're saying i-discipline iqakathekile know what you want ngathi ngasuka endlini mina ngangisiya e-training from training ngihambe endlini then sasilabadala ababesasibahlonipha ukuthi ukufika endlini abazali sebelele it was taboo ugciniwe wena usuvusa umuntu okugcinileyo yabona ukuthi lihlazo njani ugciniwe uvusa umuntu okugcinileyo awubuya ngalolutho awulalokhu zena and by then thina sasidlala kuthiwa ngweni big league soccer i-English lokhu zena yayiphuma ngama-Sundays
kodwa i-big
league soccer
angiyazi amdala thina singaba
yathi i-big league soccer
uye emazweni
so kophuma khona ama-games konke abo-Liverpool labo Tottenham labo bani so okwazi after bora vele I don't want to miss
uqeda ukudlala wena
usugijima vele lokhu enxeke ibhola sisilithanda because by then I support i-Manchester le Tottenham because Tottenham labo Archibald labo lokhu zeni
laba ku-history class
then i-Liverpool labo Barnes
Ian Rush
labo Ian Rush
lawa
wawukholisi
ibhora yikho lapho othi usuka uqedile uvina ucoach uBerita kase kutshela kwakho la usuyastarta
usiyabona okunye
yes
even kwakhona ama-overhead kicks lokana angisase ukubona khona phana
I think
phana sesifungula othi lami njani ngizama ukwenze
I think into eyakhulunywa ngomapeza khathesi umapeza uyakhuluma ukuthi abafana laba ngana babukeli ibhora
ababukeli vele abasomanga
ababukeli vele
even ngaze ngene kuma sports bar ulode bukeli ibhora thola umuntu omthengela utshwala sekhosisa ngazi
maybe that's why ibhora lokeli city
sekhosisa ngotshwala 2 they don't like training they think you are killing them but in football do you know ukuthi ebhoreni you only touch the ball for less than 4 minutes so subtract 4 minutes from 90 unika how many minutes 86
minutes
80 minutes ngezokugijima but wena ufuna ukugijima then ungabona ukuthinta ibhola for about 4 minutes you are fit because average one bathi bakubo 2 to 3 minutes ukuthinta ibhola kuphela yalithethe for 3 minutes kona phana nathi ta 1 second ta half a second
ungahlanganisa ama minutes onke lawa
afike 3 minutes
yes
afike 3 minutes but you are there in the pitch for 90 minutes
umuntu abafuna utrain
and wakhala modern football ya imnandi njani because anti sebefaka i-tracker
ukuthi bekubone
ungabona ugijima 20 kilometers egroundini yabo ugijimile
i-20 vele bayifika nzima ndokubona abaningi nxa uthiwa uchayile sibili ngabo 12
14 oGattuso yiwo wechaya malokhu
alabana
uGattuso phela yakutshela 20 kilometers bana agijima ngale yahlala
alabana
but ungabe ungikhotsho njengo-team yami so that Manchester United Madrid
laba asitshele lawo lawo mdala mfuna unjeni ukuthi ngiyayizwa i-discipline wona unqoba njani because ngesikhathi okukhuluma ngaso mdala akula social media ungavela uphume enewspapeni kuphela vele nguwe and isikhathi wena osiqambayo isikhathi esiyingozi kakhulu isikhathi umkhuhlane lo oqeda abantu
i-discipline ilokuthi into eqhakatheke kakhulu empilweni manje ezawuncedza la ku discipline the friends you choose i turning point empilweni omele ube careful ngayo the friends we choose. If it was for me, sengidlala kwa-Highlanders.
And usudumile kade
sengidumile kwa-Highlanders. I neglect my childhood friends. Sengisayadinga abangani abatsha. Abangani abe-fast life. You are killing yourself.
Ngithemba bayizwa bafana. Ngithemba this is a teaching moment.
You are killing yourself. Don't change your friends randomly. Change friends umngane ozakunika i-direction.
Ubenefitayo.
Ozabenefita kuyo. Ungantshintshi abangani for the sake of changing. Ungantshintshi abangani ukuthi asengile mali sengifuna ukuhamba labangani ovuma zonke. Phela umuntu ngaba le mali usufuna iziporo. Uzathi hamba uthenga labani, hamba uthenga labani. Yena futhi that person won't be your friend.
Ufuna something.
Anjawabona. But ungaba le childhood friend.
Uyakwazi.
Elifundisana impilo ladubeka lonke. Uzakwazi ukucontrol. And la uzakwazi ukuzibisela ukuthi phela bese ngikwenza lokho umngane wami uqinisile. Mana kanjani? Mana correct i-situation.
So istyle lesabo mama asamankazana usinqoba ngokuthi abangani bakho uyakwazi endewoni uyakwazi ukuthi ufunani.
Exactly. And nxa usiba lo nkazana waba le 1 1 or 2 because anti ukulokuze nesafe.
Yes.
We are safe.
Usazabe ukukhetha uboni.
We are safe ukuthi alright.
Yes.
Because nxa ule 1 anjo I right wrong kanjani?
Awuyiboni. Yes.
But bengaba i2 abafazi phela ngabantu amolesa abafananayo. Balama kukunesa aphose efanana. But uzabona omunye ule ngqondo uwehlela omunye. Omunye uthandwa na because you are famous. Akakuthanda ukuthi ungubani. So into yakunjani uzikhanqasa nale. Uyathanda because I'm famous. Uthanda imali yami. And you know when it comes to love ungaba heartbroken. Uthanda kuba nzima futhi. So now we must be careful ngento ezinje. Izikhuthaza abantu abafana kakhulu ukuthi wherever you are in love protect at the same time. And protect your love futhi. Ngoba ungavela ube hate love correction yakho na sometimes is death.
Awuphendula. 1986 ubusitshela phansi lithatha ama cup almost wonke ku Island. Uhlohla antu qase uthena January uqase udlala April. And esikhathi odlala lithatha icup.
Yeah.
Yiphi cup elandelayo lithathayo and they are now part of the squad.
Sadlala ichibuku.
Ichibuku kudala ikhona.
Sadlala ichibuku. Sa winner. Sadlala Dynamos. Sadlala futhi ngangwenile Independent Trophy.
Uleli lithethe uqalizini.
Sa winner. In Society Caps. Sabuya sadlala ichibuku. Sa winner. Sabuya sadlala iHeroes. Sa winner. Sadlala iRothmans esadliwa iSense. Asayewina ngole Rothmans.
Rothmans Cup.
Babe ngabe egwayi. Sadliwa iSense. Then zazobuya iMajor 1 manje.
League.
Uthiwa iCastle Cup.
I-league.
iCastle Cup
iCastle
bathi izifa Castle Nedbrook Cup baseyithi Nedbrook athes. Yona le iMajor lokuze
trophy.
IMajor trophy ukuhambisana udlala ama CAF competitions. Wathiwa iNedbrook Zifa Cup.
Alright.
Nale. Ya liyana nxa ngawona leyo uni uriatso.
Yeah. Kanti so far selune 3
Yeah. Yathiwa iuriatso yona le. Ilokuzeni
icup yakhona
icup yona le dlala iDynamos
sesikufinal
iDynamos abuyigqoka amasuit ichenini
inga ifinal
eRufaro Stadium.
Alright.
Amasuit iDynamos because most ngabona ama cup amaningi ayidlala eRufaro Stadium because ayengani bigger capacity
isi stadium esasingani
isinkulu
iNational Sports yangabi khona
akabi khona echama amasuit
lina
sigqoka ama track suit Chama track suit Chama bahama track suit bench
was a bench vele ocoach sengananzeli lokho bangananzeli ukuthi uperforma kakhulu from the bench uyadlala use bench
because uyaphakamisa yini amanye amalokuzana ama teammates sadlala uMatinda wahlohla not sakhokhela sadlala wabuye uChunga etime zela boChunga
Moses
Chunga
but wayengayenza uReza
Mchirawo yayingayenzi uOliver Katia wahlosha uChunga 1-1 sadlala wathi warm up
second half
warm up shawo sidlale 80 minutes Brazil izaphela
tell uChama late winner always
iBrazil izaphela unamo Shambira wafaka icross ngashaya idiving header
vele header yi flash dance
ngashaya idiving header untawa kalibona ngebhola Dynamos ya protest athi offside ya protest wafuna ukuphuma eground
isitayela sokuphuma eground lesakudala
asosakathetha yafuna ukuphuma eground drive coach athi omisheki ngadlala omisheki ngabona engaka so ngadlala omisheki labo Sande
Sande usengusande Chitama wangmarim
Sande lo misheki mari bona manje ngumfana okuncane ngidlala bona kulabo Oliver Katia ngapha labo Eddie Muchongo ayishaya wina 2-1
30 cup
awuzawulibona
phela mjana nqala lidla Dynamos ngesikhathi lesiyama
awuzawulibona ngabe istand lesi opposite Vietnam lesi siyangapha lesi
hlanya
abantu abazangena ngeground awuzangulibona so khona abo vele airport
akade sukujayela
usayi2 mazwa anti phela wase computer from machine uphethe sithi excuse me Islanders fans, I know you've won. I would like to take you home safe.
Discipline
Hlalani phansi
abathi behlala
ngathi singani sikade usihuba lakho ukuthi sisenteke wangani sikade usihuba
selithi phakathi selithi phakathi usihuba
sesihlabela phela wasokuhlatshele from wasongusihube
phela uthi yakuza aphathi ngobeleke laleleke liwini huru yazo
wathi avilesa phakathezi madoda airport kunje so
belimele
abantu basimelele
yes
from airport is straight clubhouse. You could just imagine the atmosphere
clubhouse liwini huru yazo
ungasima supporter
kufiwa
people used to support the Islanders. So the Islanders at heart passion ukuthi team le vele ngiyethu le.
Xa ukhangela ucompare khathesi iIsland ama supporters uyasayini. Unjela ukuthi siyehlile support compared to isikhathi okhuluma ngaso.
Isiyehlile kakhulu.
Hayi
isiyehlile kakhulu.
Phela lokho sithi iIsland is the most supported in the country.
Yes, is the most supported but unlike before. Kulabantu abangama die hard who are prepared to die for Islanders. Abe supporters like I was saying ukuthi and babehlabela ingoma ezikhuthaza team ezingela hate speech ezingelani ezingelanhlamba ezokuthi i-team iyaphambili Islander ekamachobana Gamzilikazi ipo sivelale
leba ichaya
wayo yizo zasihlatshelo umbani wayekhona mzwana kudlala ibhosi ichila manje yabona manje kathesi I can't even see angeke ngasihlabela kulo
yazi ngafisa ukuthi sihlale isikhathi sonke lapha lokho ngithapha nsizwe 86 your best year ungena is it your best year
86 is Islanders
best year ungena 86 uhlala isikhathi singakanani ku Island
88 sabuya futhi sathatha amanye amankezo 89 ku Islanders 90 ku Islanders unfortunately by then wasungathola umsebenzi anjo umsebenzi wa it more money
than
ibhora. Nami le training ingasa lokuzi kakhulu then ngama mbijana break ngadlala ku Saints one season ngathi impela lenda zathi akusanjani ngenxa umsebenzi akusanjani akusavuma. But if it was like now nge-era yethu lana, I think 3/4 of our Zimbabwean players, even Zimbabwe wasiyafika ku World Cup.
Hey.
Just because what's happening ngebhora lethu, you know, I'm sorry to say this, ukuthi ungakhangela i-coaching fraternity yethu for now is the worst in terms of football. I'm a qualified coach. I've got class CAF B. I can coach Premier. But with what's happening in Zimbabwe, it's difficult because the professionalism is lacking professionalism in Zimbabwe.
And yileli qhakathekile abantu abafunda eziproper angazi indaba,
because if we are to talk professionalism sikhangela ama CV ama coach, ucoach engaqoshwa ku Dynamos for poor results, you'll be surprised. And ucoach ku Premier League nge poor results, you'll be surprised esa coach iCape United iku same league, ecoach ku Cape United for poor results, esa coach futhi iHighlanders esa coach ama team amangaki angu-3
sebulele
and usebuleleni
ibhora sebulele ibhora
selipile because living a tale of destruction is not promoting but is killing.
So
just because we have 2 cents it allows 2 cents, it allow coach team amabhora 2.
So nje into yokuthi
akulanto ephumayo by then i-project yakho niyaphumelela
ayiphumi.
We meant to have, because singakhuluma iqiniso khangela ama-youth games esadlala ama-tournaments ama-youth games, how many players were produced from ama-youth games? Plenty players were produced from ama-youth games, but since COVID era no youth games. And our players adlalayo wadlala ibhora ahambe ndlala esikolo funa ibhora manje ngutitsha utitsha waze ngebhora unga-recruit esikolo engazange edlela ama-junior, because ama-junior akala physical work, ama-junior is tactic, vele ukucontrola lokupasa ibhola
ama-basics anade sikhuluma ngawo.
So ungabona umuntu
so uhlanganisa le talent lakho,
yabona manje nxa ususiya ngale asafuna ukufundisa i-basic phela ku-Premier system labo tactic lani
so
angiyabona lama systems, the combination ube le lama technical awareness ukucontrola ukupasa, but ungabe pro wakabona umuntu wakabona umuntu ethi ibhora wena ngabe bhora lapha 90 minutes akulivino ethi ibhora 90 minutes akulo cross ibhora.
And into ozikhuluma mdala so profound ukuthi into ezikhulunywa ngaba into odikhuluma sokuxotsha abantu ebhoreni, because ngihamba ngiyebukela ibhora enti Premier League ngithola umuntu ohle kuyeda ukumisa kusasa mphendula
ukuthi ama coach akakwazi ukuthi there's no better coach than a supporter.
Ngoba i-team esupporter idliwe.
Yeah, because the supporter they are the most talented people who watch football. Sometimes now coach have time with the supporters. With the supporters, because mina ngise when I was coaching as this man ngaba lama Monday othi ngadinga ama former players awezisco ngathi every Monday after game ufuna sihlanganene anje bayakhuluma ukukhuluma, but at the end of the day it's up to me
to safer
or what and subtract and make them part of you, they'll help you succeed. Ukugada phezulu kwamakhanda abantu ukuze uphumelele.
Yes.
But wena ungafuna uhamba uyi-1
no man is
ngaqhamuka uyaganyelwa uzaganywa ngobani.
No man is an island.
Especially when it comes to football, because i-pitch line is 100 by 8 by 60, you cannot cover the whole area.
Uyi-1
nahlala ngutshela ukuthi woba lo muntu ozakhayela i-attacking third, onye okhayela i-middle third, onye okhangela i-defensive third. Then after game usuhlala i-defense yami benjani imidi yabo benjani ama-strikers benjani then as a coach ungakucompile usuhlanganisa you come up with a strategy
better coach so mdala kwayena into hlala ama seasons 6 seasons
about
5 seasons very successful seasons
I was happy and
wathola umsebenzi wathola umsebenzi ilokhuzeni owebhora wahle wathi wahle qanisa ukuthatha wahle qaswe ama coaching badges
yes
so in your coaching career ucoache which levels
ngicine ngaba kulokhuzeni uCaps FC iPremier it's before it was relegated ngacoach iCaps FC ngi-assist uMasomere
ulokhu
yeah then kulesikhathi lapho kwaba lama regional squads ngangise ku central ngangulokhuzeni ku central indoma way ngi-assist uMawe
uLed Khumalo
yeah
the late may so rest in peace
so la ngiyacoach at
I still levels
like I'm saying professional thina asifuni into zamadlana when it comes to into zamadlana asifunakala
so
if I tell I want this you must provide me with what I want
mfuna ukubuya khona lapho mjalo ukuthi uCAF people is abususe lo CAF A highest level page ye coaching kuyini osukwenza ukuthi nxa ukhangela ukuthi hayi into zebhora iyona le professionalism okhala ngayo
to tell the truth abantu ama leaders ebhora akhala ibhora to pants because if we were to do things right siyaqala esikole we've got so many coaches lama coaching certificate who are capable of coaching siwafake lasezikole kube lama
simi into yama teacher ya
sibe lama lokuze lama leagues izikole zibe lama league kube lama coach qualified akhona ama teacher yes akhona ama teacher akayenze
afundisi
mina I'm happy because umuntu wathi Minister of Sports and Culture and Education wabona ukuthi into lezi
ziyangenelana
but eZimbabwe siyokulala do not thina sise primary sasichasa ngo1 2 o'clock sesiyadlala ibhola but kade sifanele umntwana wesikole uchasa ngo4
uyadlala sikhathi bani
that's the thing asithi wonke umntwana is good
academically true
omunye ugifted ku sports
omunye ku arts
omunye ku arts
abanye abamabhuku
sikhuthazana nini
yonke
lo muntu engene ku
department
akwanisa khona but singabafosela bonke
hayi
si business at the end of the day
akusaphuma
that's business but we are saying asibeleni ku that culture nale ukuthi o sport abe ngo sport okufunda abe ngokufunda kuyasiphathisa
kakhulu
kuyasiphathisa then lama coach ebe serious
so yiko nxa ukhangele unubona ukuthi hayi into abakho serious ebhorini ibhora lethu balikhayelela phansi ungeke uphenduke ebhorini because why ngibuza so siyabafuna abantu abanjengani abalidlalile ibhora abali understand abaqualified futhi
you know into ehlupha yona le ukuthi we are there to help each other mina I don't say ngifuna ngene ebhoreni mahara no it's not about me getting ebhoreni mahara but ungangenisa ebhoreni mahara ngiza kuncedisa kokunye hayi awubhadela siyabhadela it's not an issue but you also need my assistant ukuthi si improve standard of play improve standard of play which means the corporate weight is njani izabuya but athesi yipi company ongathi asambe ebhoreni kathesi always nxa imajority abantu sithi hayi ebhoreni nasahambe always sifika market uma going to market if people are saying we are not more longer going akuthi market ayisanjani ayisasebenzi that's why abona amalokuzina sengana ase to draw
into enje ukuthi lina vele like ama former players ama legends like yourself you are so knowledgeable I think into esizikhulumile athi we touched on discipline into ezifunakala ebhoreni we touched on professionalism ebhoreni kuphela khathi sesikhuluma sesiku marketing ibhora is now a business into elizibona elizikhangele and you've got experience into ezona liyafunakala abantu abanjengane ebhoreni okulenza lina licine selikhangela ukuthi but iborele to it's not serious lana balithatha serious ongasenza si improve sibili iborele because iborele truly speaking selibona iborele to seliwili standard
vele uqala from the top singakhuluma ngebhola sikhuluma la ngeteam yami iBoss yabona iBoss abathwale sports shop iqhatsho omdlamba nje iqhatsho Madinda iqhatsho oDouglas Muloya aba vele asikhulumi lo muntu because abantu banxa bengakazi uzothenga nje bazobona uMadinda
yes
bazobona uMloya bazobona umdlamba
it's part of
automatically vele marketing isinjani strategy siyaziphumela yona yodwa le into enhlala ngikhuluma ngayo ngazi be i-team yami iza ku understand we know we've got traditional colors black and white that's thing of the past now what counts is the logo now faka ilogo ungazi ufake ku blue kulo muntu uthanda iblue but just because i-Highlanders uyathenga lo muntu uthanda i-red just because it's Highlanders imali esinjani iyangena from all angles i-black and white isi off lokuzeni asoze uhambe ipattern gqoke black and white kama asoze ipattern gqoke black and white but uyafuna ugqoke i-jean le shirt red khangela ama teams from outside ama colors wonke they've got all colors in their jerseys and ungangena edrobheni ufind wonke abantu bagqokile ama colors ama team same team but different one
liyahlala kodwa libatshele bezwe sibili abadala
we try but hey
kulobunzima
because that tradition into ze tradition asizayo tradition is there but the tradition azibiseli ngaphi ingazibiseli ngoba abe tradition siyaphambili
that's a very important subject and kungikhumbuza enye into embonana sanye sibambe uke wayithinta sadlula kiyo i-issue yemithi ebhora because bathi ibhora udala njengawe ubuhlohla kakhulu ngama last minute ama-header lisidla amathima kakhulu akuzayi kufike yini imsindo yokuthi but iTobias ngoyekhem or i-team yayile khem kwakuhamba njani entweni zemithi ebhora because izitori zakudala kuyafiwa ezinyanga what
you cannot take that away from the fact ukuthi vele ukhona that's an African belief. That's the problem with abantu abamnyama. We tend to believe emuthini singaka believe training because what counts first must be training. Lokho kungayenza ngaba kwenza thina era yethu we disputed that. We said we don't want that. Thina ukuthi ukutrainer lokudlala ibhola because we believe in training and singatrainer kuzasincedise ebholeni
kakhulu
because umuthi phela asomuntu umuthi awukhabi ibhola
hayi
nani umuthi awuboni ukuthi ukhamba njani but ungafuna ufaka enqondweni ukuthi umuthi awusoze uyenze lutho kufana ukuthi uyodinga umuthi wemali ungasebenzi imali yakho izabuya
niyakuzwa
what is important in football is your conditioning training iqhakathekile. You can talk of any other thing but training must be your number one priority. Let's work hard lokho ngakuthi ukuthi ukhona ekulana ababeliever ukho nqambe executive mbe what and tell them broadly ukuthi lingakwenza phambili kwethu asukukubona nxa likwenza kwenzeni but thina sifuna njani asukubona thina want to believe in ourselves ukuthi we are capable of doing because antwana lingakuvumela liwine bayathi umuntu njani
uyasebenza
akusayini njani and lingathi umuntu azufuni this week lidliwe
selile problem
yabona so automatically kungabi khona lingakuboni
emathimini amanye lalidlala lawo
kwakukhona
lalikubona libonzi ya lapha kuyafiwa la
because azingakhona ngicela into le yaqinisa ibhano abantu babengaphumi kuma tunnels kudala wawaphunywa kuma tunnels kudala kufakweni ufaka umuntu wona i-team ibhoda ngale eceleni kwestadium beseqile okuzeni beseqifence bengene ground of which was also dangerous because that useqifence uyakwazi ukulimala
ungakadlala
kwagcina kubhana izifa
yes
iziva yakubhana yathi no more team eza iqifence
hayi ngoba kudala
antana ibelief yakho ukuthi yayinje extreme njani ukuthi iDynamo idlale eRufaro kodwa ayifuna ukuphuma ngama dressing room bayeqifenza awuthi kwakubi
ukuthi ngiyakhumbula enye igame ehamba ngayibukela eyalinda le Dynamos eyalinda yayingena kwenza uqhaqha ifence
yabona how bad it was damaging the stadium
anya ikhumbula
amashali
amabhawu so into leyo muthi vele it's an African thing okukhona kuyenzakala kukaningi.
It's not only in Zimbabwe.
African
state vele they think umuntu uyasebenza. That's where the problem is. Ukuthi thina sibhiliva ngento engasifaki anywhere. Near to any victory. Phela umuntu lo akulapho usekhona. Sisambe sadlala ku World Cup, remember uma team amba lenyanga ku World Cup afika adla ama goals amangalisayo. But and ukubona khona ukuthi vele it sells for nothing.
And ngabe thola umuntu yasebenza ngabe thola an African team has won the World Cup.
Exactly.
Hey. As I was saying ukuthi ngahlala nawe ilanga lonke. Ngicela unike your best 11 wadlala labo kwayilinto. Uthi nxa umbhikela
baqinisile ukuthi ibhola singaze sibe yi-15 kudlala 11.
Yes.
No matter how good the 15 are, but just have to have 11. Not ukuthi they are better than others. But mina ngathi starting lineup.
Ngicela starting lineup yakho. Sikufake kuhle. Iminyaka yonke wayidlala ukuthi inqotho ufaka i-calendar yakho i-best 11.
Ngakawunika i-best ngiyokutshela ezinye story. Yazi so ibhola so sometimes libuhlungu. Yazi ngelinanga so ngasuka endlini. Sengigaxa isikhwama. Siye camp. Avaliza ngikhaya ngathi hayi selibona after lokhu zena after ball. Yazi into zenzakala. Uthi khona phana lokho lisaline lokho bebiza anti basebule. Yani komu assistant ebiza babiza. Zibani. Yakwari 16 ibizo lami nokubiza.
Wawuthatha njani?
Apho uthatha isikhomo uthibile ke. Pero bathi kungena endlini koso. Uvalelisile impela ekhaya.
Uyekebile.
Ngena ngani yanye. Zakwana ngithini. Those are the moments of football. Those okwenza ibrave excited.
Okuthatha njalo noma phiko.
Ungasaphikwanga. Into lokutshela ngama unalamazi amnandi ukuthi ngeke bemfuna ukuhamba nani lo.
Baba kuyena
ama number vele yabona so abanye bese njani serizazi. Sometimes umuntu ubakona ukuthi lo munye train 2 days. Ekwane. But that's football.
Ibhola linjalo.
Train 2 days. Ubone ekwane. Ubuzi. Uya kuma plans kabani?
Coach.
Ukuthatha ukuthi ku plans uma plans ka coach.
Hayi mbaba zakawubulele.
With a great team in Islanders to Peter Nkome in goals ku number 1 lapana. uRambo, the late Rambo, number 2. The late Final Ncube, number 3. Alexander Masego, lo British, bese center back. Uthi uWillard Koeman, Nduna.
Mashingini.
Yeah, enka lapha. Uthi ku right. Katazi. Uthi ku 8. That is the late Machon. Uthi ku 10. Tito Packet. Uthi ku 11. Namo Shambir. Mina sengena lapha. Phela mina ngipika team mina.
Top marksman. 11. I-best yakho le.
I-team for the day.
Then ku era yakho eladlala against Tibona. Ungathiwa nike 11. wadlala against bona wonke ama team nje jikeleni ukuthiwa kudobha okwadla ama opponents 11 abangangena libe bedlale le team le oyipikileyo
mana ngizama urecall anje kulo Jafet Mparutsa the short cat undodo wayebamba lo so kusuka lo lokuzeni lo Simon Mugabe kodwa ngiSimon Mugabe wayedlala ku Black Rhino
lo Mugabe imazi wayedlala nguJoe
wathi ngiSimon wayenza imihlolo esidlala labo wacha umapho ngeextra time ungane uyaqalisa thithi enxe wayethethe something ngoba khona kwangekho normal then ku left back so kusuka lo lokuzeni Oliver Flying Sauce kade wathi ayibifla awayegijima
nqangibala emabhulini
ngabona sephamsanje sithi so esefa icross udoda wayemtala wayecross alwana so uya ku anchor Joel Shambo
esent usuke ama CB
unekule brothers
boy 2 they were that good
although wawulo lokuzeni futhi wawulo thamba Angray Chapo futhi wawulo to
Angray nyalizwe
so wakunyatela lo kyana ukufitshane wakunyatela lo kyana kuthi Joel Shambo lapha na ku anchor ku right uthi Ndunduma umuntu wayedlala Ndunduma u8 uthi u8 usufaka kulokuzeni uSticks uSticks wayedlala ibhola Sticks Mthizo u9 awulo Marunga Nyangela
dibomba
awulo Nyangela
dibomba
then u10 sesingafaka kulokuzeni uMemory Mchirawo then ngapha ngeke ngachi umdala wami umuntu wayedlala ibhola lo Joseph Machingolo
sense unjethi mozithunga kwakwane teamini yakho le opposition
banengi yabantu banengi
but uMachingolo
ngipikileyo uyaba sebenchini because
yakwazi wayimbuza
ungareta uchunga lo Ndunduma Ndunduma wayedlala ibhola manje
yakwazi wayimbuza umbuzo ukuthi mozithunga waye esale team le thina sikhule sibala even la khathi esiloke kule debate le but Moses Chunga is the greatest
bengathi the greatest because wahlohla ama goals amaningi but when it's come to play Stanley Ndunduma ndodo wayedlala ibhola
so kuyi debate ka Messi lo Ronaldo ngani yayizwa
uNdunduma plus wayele speed phe was fast Moses wayethanda ukureach
Teresa man
thanda ukureach nje but ingelalo iline up engifakileyo angeke adlala ngepace yabantu la because laba ngama speed
kwakufiwa
ngama speed la babehamba antona uMaronga le wayengowe
Chapans
uMachingolo wayengowe
Ndunduma skill
uShekimeli futhi engowe lo Memory futhi engowe then ungafaka lo
seslow
sebulali lokuzeni
irhythm
selali rhythm yonke
so i-team le ayilenda le
siyamira
yipe ngabuda
siyamira singathwasa nabo nzima
kuyafika
squad phela lezi
manje
squad asobantu ukuthi isiphonkukhona abantu abedlala ibhola
serious football
yonke uthi angabe ibhola lapha ngoba lami ngumdlalo webhola but I would admire them. That's why even uma soccer stars it was easy usho kudalwa ne soccer star lo uShambo wakwa chest ibhola wali chest ibhola so referee walicela athi ngiphela sela moya
lifike lahlala
izibhola la lihlezi ibhola ureferee walicela
wafika ligcwele
wafuthi ibhola ligcwele Jubilee Jubilee Shambo awudlala ibhola lokuyana afunqamba mama
so era yenu vele mdala that's why
ngaba mpongo ukukhuluma nje abalutshwana nje kwala bo Joseph Zulu oboy Ndlovu la uthatha asoze sibaqede
ngeke ngaba lo Johannes Samachu ngambuza istory sika boy Boy bathi nguyaqamula defender lakho lipikile uSandi.
Nguye sibi eBF la. Wamuthi Edgars lapha.
Wamthuma
wathi wamthola ngelokuze. Wamthola ngestretch.
La wayenza izimanga mdala.
Wamthola nje kodwa wamkhupha total. Uboy wamqalisa nje. Wangana lokuze.
Waphenduka.
uJoseph Zulu wathi mdala uyeRope. OkweRoutine. Joseph Zulu. Kwamuthi pha kuthi kwathunduka kona phana. Awazonda uMichelle.
Ubhuti.
Wathi wenzeni ubhuti wami. Seseyatsha.
Sefuna ukarechi.
Kamnyatelanga hayi.
Mdala kule story yasizwayo ngomdala. Umdala wahloleka igobhura. Wachayira ibhora zelingeniso yethe udala. Yiphi le igobhura? I think it's part of the 1996.
Dimbari.
Yakhulunywa kakhulu.
Dimbari. Zanti yayikhaphe the major trophy. Yona le net Brucifer Cup yona inkala kade inkomisho uthi ngayithatha ikabe sa represent ilokuzeni iZimbabwe ku CAF Cup competition.
Lia Island.
Islanders.
Hayi iCAF yakudala yayinjani compared to le elayidlalayo?
Ukho iqiniso kudala kwalabantu bebhola. Kade sisekulaba magicians. Kudala ukuthi enjoy football. At all levels. Even from junior.
All right.
That's why thina supporters they used to enjoy football. Because ibhola yaqala junior kusela. Babe ngobona eBoreni. Junior ku reserve. Thina bayesaphiwa supporters. Ku reserve. Lona sengadlala ku first one. Lona manje dlala ku first one. Lo coach antabe sizwa lokho. That was that opportunity coach to think njani.
Ethe ku test onhlubambo bamba. Hayi.
Mangathesa kula reserve.
Hayi ibhola selawo eZimbabwe.
Vela akula ama project. Ama project akona akayindawo. Ngakho project nginalo.
So abantu lina iera yenu kade that is why lingani liyakhuluma so abantu bahlala besithi lingani liyasola kakhulu ngoba libone ibhora kulabantu bebhora abelothando lebhora. Hey so iCAF yenu kwakufiwa bena iwapha ama team ay dangerous outside eAfrica.
And una lawo tam labo DRC Tanzania kulabo
iTP Mazembe
kulabo manje spin long sengikhohle abantu but even nama Arabs nana oCasablanca oracha babedlala ibhola labantu.
Lina ladlala yipi?
Sadlala lokuzeni eZanzibar
Tanzania.
Ngake ngayikhuluma ngizakutshela ngayicabanga. Sayidla ngapha 1-0. Sihamba khona ngale Zanzibar yasidla 1-0.
All right. Penalty.
Sadliwa kuma penalty.
Hey.
Enzasibona abantu bagqoke ezimnyama ubele yazi ngazi. Agqoke imnyama pho ngibona lokhu zini.
Yikhemu la lethi sikhuluma. Yikhemu besikhuluma.
Istadium sonke.
Hey.
Black kuphela.
Boni kit yabo enjani?
Sakhumbula. Abagqoka amagawuni nona afika lapha.
And I yikhemu besikhuluma wethi Africa.
Africa vele kunjalo. I will never change that.
Hayi awuchinji.
Awuzabona benyaka phuma oKaizer Chiefs ehamba ethelele lokuzeni. Yaphuma lokuzeni.
Pirates.
Manje uyabona. Ungababelieve but liyadliwa still. It's training that makes you perfect.
Yes.
Life is preparing. That's why scarcity. If you fail to prepare, prepare to fail.
You're planning to.
You fail to prepare to fail. It's simple.
Hey.
Ungahle yaphansi enyangeni.
Asasengikholizini. I've enjoyed. Mthatha I think ngahlala lawe lize liphume. I think istory zinengi ongantshela zona but because of isikhathi I hope ababukeli labalandeli they enjoyed. Bakhona abakuthethe nabafana abancane abadlalayo khathesi bakhona abakuthe khathesi mdala uyenzani lokhu khanya ufiti so sengivala maybe kukhona omunye umuntu ongabuye ehlelweni ethi umdlamba nje kunini ngimdinga.
No khathesi ngu-organization ama anti-drugs dealing ngawuthiwa Zimbabwe Civil Liberties and Drug Network. Esikhuthaza ukuthi singabazondi, singabaxoshi andeni abantu abathatha isidakamizwa ukuze efike ku that situation ukhona okwenzakeleyo. So let's put them close, sibaphakamise, sibamukele,
alright,
sizaba correct. Another we siba discriminate at along ama drugs vele ungakhulumi la what, but thina organization let's talk to them, bring them close, sibavuselele bebe ngabantu emphakathini.
I think that's a good program. Eborena usekho
Okathesa ukhuluma iqiniso
eborena ukhafbilo kasebenzi hayi
mina I'm prepared to take any team from grassroots. Mina I'm happy because lamanye ama players akudlule ezandleni zami adlala ku Premier. Lo mfana lokuthiwa ngoku tama udlala ku FC Platinum i-right back. Ngasuka la ku from Robert Trade Gold esikolo.
Right back Platinum man.
Thabo hayi.
Yeah. Jambari
what wasuka la e-Robert Trade Gold. Sahamba sayawinile okuzeni i-regional ingwebo trophy. Bambona abelokuzeni
Platinum.
Wathi
bakuthatha kuncane.
Wathi bamfundise eGwero khona ngalo. Wathi bamnika scholarship. Wathi abangwawo. Uthuo tangu
So
anjona ungayenza i-grassroots ilama end results aphumelela.
So uyafuna ukuphenduka but ngendlela ngalokho yana sisakhuluma ukuthi abantu abafuna ba professional. Yes akumisile but you are willing to campaign.
I'm free to work with anyone. Football I sleep, eat, drink football.
Nice one. I'll
never run away from football. I'm football.
Yeah, football person.
Even abafana abadlala currently they consult, I talk to them. But my appeal is to support us. Let's have the parenthood figure. Ungabona umfana ethatha into ezingekho right. Please don't encourage or don't buy things that will destroy their career.
Ama drugs aswafuna.
No to drugs.
Ama drugs aswafuna. Eish. I enjoyed so much talking. I wish we can continue but because of isikhathi man inhliziyo yami babuhlungu. I think ngizayenza isikhathi uphenduke futhi. And hopefully ukuthi uyabusuphendukile because liyafunakala mntana.
Na definitely.
Liyafunakala.
Yabe semphendukile. Ukhona uzaba le 5 senses correct situation.
Liyafunakala.
Because wathi santo lokho ngani bayafanana. They are after something. They're not after the good of our game, but they're just after something which they know themselves.
Imali lesiyangena ibusiness. Well, ngofubukele wafika lapha sesifike emaphethweni. Please remember to like, subscribe and share and let's engage on the comment section. Ngabe nxa kule munye umbuzo ofila ukuthi laphana kade bangana uyenzanga kuhle. Bemfuna ukuthi ukuza ukuthi ubaba uTobias uthini ngesituation le o kulombuzo lo ongabuzanga ubaba uTobias bemfisa ukuthi abesubuza ubhale ku comment section ngizamchayela ucingo umdala ukhona ndabona usafit fresh clean ngiyambiza futhi aphendule imdala abantu bakhala balembuzo le ke sihlale phansi ke sixoxe but otherwise mdala sesingava siyabonga kakhulu mdala ufika
lami ngiyabonga ithuba impela lo elihle eligubha stress lamkhubuza mzukwana sisakhula
sikubonga pass and move mdala siyabonga kakhulu. See you next time guys.